Okay, we're in Rio de Mayo and we're going to be strolling down that way. Just kind of give you a little context of stuff. That's a nice little temple right there. Okay, let's go check out Rio de Mayo. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rio de Mayo. Let's kind of check out this little alleyways of this is our type of village. So you kind of got some cool stuff anyways in here. Putting all these little alleys like that. And these little alleys like this. This is kind of a small little alley, but try to give you a little context and stuff anyways. We're gonna come out in this little space right here. There's OTT right over there. It's a little alley. It's this little type of area. Pretty hot right now. So we're just gonna go around the block. They're in this little park. So we're just gonna go around the block and kind of give a little context. It's pretty hot. Wish I could film a little bit more, but that street is kind of small. So we just kind of pass through a little bit. Got some Cafe Chen. And then this little place right here has some historic value. Not sure the whole story to it. Looks like it's close for restoration right now. And then we're back again up here. Fanta, Coke, that one, this one, and Rio de Mayo. Alright, maybe that's interesting. We're back. And maybe I'll just show you just briefly some of these little alleys. So these little alleys kind of snake through everything. So yeah, we'll end it right there.